I'm Jason. I work for Diversey out of Tampa, Florida. I'm a technical specialist. I started out as a contractor. I caught on pretty quick. I believe the right people saw that I enjoyed what I was doing, and I caught on too. And I was offered a position here in Tampa, Florida. And I love this job. This is just for me. I get to, go about my day to my terms, which means, I get a list per month what needs to be done. I plan it out accordingly on my calendar, and I go visit my customers.
Hey, Big Jason.
Big Bad John.
What's happening, buddy?
How you
Hey,
doing?
we got a new chef here, and I want you to meet him.
Okay.
Jason is very Joni on the spot. I mean, whenever we need him, he comes down, he services my machines. If I'm run out of a product, he will really just come out of his way and deliver it to me. We had used other companies before, and I've been around other companies before, which weren't really up to par, and their service techs come out were not as personable as Jason is.
You got a lot of grease. Yeah, it is. Yes, sir. I feel that I am a hero to my customer in the aspect of food safety standards are fulfilled. Retirement communities, I help ensure that the housekeepers are able to provide clean linens. I help hospitals prevent infectious diseases from spreading. I love the fact that Diversey is all about customer service because I'm all about customer service. I am able to do what I love. I love taking care of people, and this is how I do it for a living. My advice to anyone interested in becoming a service technician for Diversey is go for it. Give it your all. You'll be glad you did. Call that number and we'll get you taken care of.
Thank you again.
Thanks again, man.
Take care.
Appreciate it.